Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, June 30th. The time is around 12 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the Nasdaq. This is 3 minutes chart. We can see right here we ended with 2 in the intermediate degree at 13,959, and therefore we are currently in the wave 3 to the upside, and wave 3 should be in a 5 waves in which we have this 1 2 3 4 5 ending 1 of 3. Then from here we should be getting a pullback followed by a further upside. So as long as the pullback stays above 13,959, we should continue to look for more upside in the Nasdaq. Okay, now Nasdaq, one of the strongest one, continues to extend to new high. Now let's zoom out a little bit to get a context in where we are now. Okay, so let's take a look at the 4-hour chart here. I'm putting down here the wave 2 right here, this 2 in blue, and let's put down this one in black here as well. This is your 1 here, 2, right, and then 3 4 5 here, 3 4 5, right? So we are about to end the 5 waves up that started from from June 21st here. Soon is going to end this one, right? Soon is going to end this one, followed by a 3-waves pullback, and then higher again, right? So this is going to be the end of 5, and then another wave 1 of 3, right? And then this is wave 2 of 3. Now okay, so let's take a look here, the structure of the Nasdaq, and see where we are. So we're talking about the rally that started from May 13, which is in 3 waves, in 5 waves, and you finish the first leg here, 1 2 3 4 5 here, right? You finish the first leg, and then this is your connector, and then you extend higher again. Now if you look at it from the distribution, this looks very shallow, right? This looks very shallow. It looks like we are still within the same cycle. In other words, you might be saying, okay, well, why don't we call it still within wave 5, and then we're ending 1 right here. So then after that we got a big pullback to correct this entire rally, right? But if you look at it from the momentum, you can see in the momentum here you got a divergence right here, right around here, which is this one, right? And then you got, that's why we're calling this 3 and 5 here. But then you can see the latest move here, it looks like divergence gets erased, momentum starts to accelerate again to the upside. So that's why we don't call this to be a wave 5, but rather we are calling this to be bullish. So this is your connector here, and then now basically we are bullish against this June 21st in the pullback. Now that is the June 20, by the way, is the same level as all other index that you want to see. For example, ES also breaks to new high, right? ES also breaks to new high, and check out to see this is also June 21st right here, right? June 21st, the same level that we got in the Nasdaq, right? So overall, therefore we are looking for now the more aggressive view, calling for the index to continue to be bullish against this June 20th, and we soon should be completing this 5 waves up, and then get a 3-waves pullback. Then that 3-waves pullback should find buyers again, as long as we don't break below 39.59. As long as this pivot continues to hold, we should continue to extend to the upside. Alright, so that is the update for today in the Nasdaq. As always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.